Hello and welcome back. Sorry, I'm going to move this. Got dark all of a sudden. So I don't know, hopefully you can see me. So I'm working on the details for this. So I did do some work on the arms and they're pretty close. But because they're a separate subtool for the moment, I can play around with those while I do the details. I moved the wings on the arm into the right spots and now just doing details. So I've started already and I'll show you kind of what I've been doing just to get like a first pass down. So we'll take this for instance and we'll just crank this up a bit. Awesome. So before we add all that geometry in, I've just been going around with like a flat brush and just kind of trying to just level everything off. Yeah, just like this. And then we'll add the geometry in. And then we'll go in and use the pinch tool and we'll just pinch these. And just make them like as crisp as possible. Like so. Nice. Awesome. Man, it's so hot. Just turning off the fan for a second. I've already got sweat swimming down my arms. Alright, so pop it on Z and we'll go sideways for this. And then I went in and grabbed the crumple brush. So still in symmetry as well. And just adding just a bit of like noise to the model. So what I mean by noise is like so that it doesn't look flat. A term for like adding visual detail so that things don't look plain. And then go in and we'll use the damn standard brush and we will take it off symmetry and just, so this one you don't press anything and it will do a negative cutout, and then if you press Alt it'll actually raise it up, which is cool. You could use anything, you could use clay build up, but then you'd have to cut in. So we use this and then we'll just so we'll do two passes. So one is just like a very light pass on adding just a bit more detail to the crumple brush. And we'll do the same on this side as well. Awesome. And then, yeah, then we'll just, damn. then we'll just do some deeper ones. So it's the same concepts, but we'll actually put some time in drawing something that has some actual meaning to it. And this is basically what I've been doing for all of these plates, is just adding in some cuts and notches to make it look like it's been, the body's been lived in, as it were. It's the first step to making this a bit more asymmetrical as well, which is good. So we'll just go through real quick and finish this off. Put one more there, and then we will go in and use the pinch tool again. We'll come in and just make these a bit more pointy, so that they actually look like cuts and not just lines that are in the geometry. Just like this. Nice. That looks good. Let's add it to the rest of our model there. There we go. And I'll do that for the rest. So you've got what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 to go. But they get smaller, so not too bad. Yeah, anyway, I will leave it there. So hopefully you've had a good Sunday, and I will talk to you again tomorrow. Alright, cheers guys.